Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra keeps vibrating issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all install the Nice Catch app. So to install it, open the Samsung store. And here search Nice Catch and then install this app. Now after installing, click on open and then turn this button on. Now after turning on, you can control your mobile settings from here. And after doing this, if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and click on notifications. Now here in notifications, click on advanced settings and then scroll down, and here you will see a repeat notification alerts button. So turn off this button, and after turning off this button, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings option here again to confirm. So when you will click on this reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.